Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of bathroom decor, specifically exploring the magic of different wall color decorations. If you are tired of your bathroom feeling bland and uninspired, get ready to be inspired as we walk you through some easy and exciting ways to add color and personality to your bathroom walls. So grab a seat, relax, and let's get creative with bathroom decor. Your bathroom doesn't have to be a boring, neutral space. Adding color to your walls is a fantastic way to inject life and style into your washroom. Whether you prefer soft pastels, bold hues, or soothing neutrals, there is wall color decoration idea out there for you. Let's explore some fun and easy options to transform your washroom into a colorful oasis. First up, let's talk about accent walls. Painting just one wall in a bold and contrasting color can instantly elevate the look of your bathroom without overwhelming the space. Choose a wall that serves as a focal point, like the one behind your vanity or bathtub. This simple yet effective technique adds visual interest and depth to your bathroom, making it feel more dynamic and stylish. Another popular trend in bathroom wall color decor is the two-tone look. By painting the upper and lower halves of your walls in different colors, you can create a unique and visually appealing design. Consider pairing a light, airy color with a darker shade for modern and sophisticated look. Experiment with complementary colors for a playful and vibrant vibe. For a stunning look, consider trying the umber effect on your bathroom walls. This technique involves blending two or more colors together to create a gradient effect. Start with a light base color and gradually darken it as you move up the wall. The result is a soft, dreamy transition of colors that adds depth and dimension to your space. Umber walls are perfect for creating a serene and relaxing atmosphere in your bathroom. And there you have it, a colorful journey through painting ideas for your bathroom walls. Whether you prefer accent walls, stencil designs, umber effects, or abstract art, there is painting techniques out there to suit your style and personality. So grab your paintbrushes, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to transform your bathroom into a masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more bathroom decor inspiration. Until next time, happy painting.